Hello everyone. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of income investing? Imagine earning money while you sleep. Today, we dive into 8 powerful dividend ETFs. Each one offers unique opportunities for your portfolio. Stick around to the end for a special investment tip you won't want to miss. Let's start with why dividend ETFs are essential. They are exchange-traded funds that focus on dividend-paying stocks. These ETFs allow you to earn regular income, making them attractive for investors. Plus, they can provide diversification to reduce risk. Hey there, viewers. If you're loving the content you're watching right now, don't miss out on all the upcoming videos packed with fresh tips, tricks, and inspiration. Hit that subscribe button so you can stay updated and be the first to know when we post new content. And don't forget to leave a comment and share with your friends. First up is KBWD. This ETF focuses on high-income financial companies, offering incredible yields. Imagine receiving a steady stream of income without lifting a finger. That's the beauty of KBWD's monthly payouts. With KBWD, your investment works for you, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of consistent cash flow, month after month. This is more than just a financial opportunity. It's a pathway to greater financial freedom and the ability to reinvest or enjoy life more. The KBWD dividend yield stands strong. This impressive yield signifies that investors can expect a robust return on their investment. With an attractive rate like 8.6%, it positions KBWD as a compelling option for those seeking consistent income and growth opportunities amidst market fluctuations. Next, we have SDIV. This is a high-yield ETF that targets international companies. It invests in both U.S. and global dividend stocks, spreading your risk. Imagine unlocking the potential of your investments while benefiting from worldwide opportunities. In this dynamic financial landscape, SDIV empowers you to secure a steady income stream while diversifying your portfolio across borders, allowing you to embrace growth and stability in harmony. Invest wisely, and watch your financial dreams flourish. The SDIV dividend yield is remarkable. This impressive yield of 7.5% not only attracts investors seeking steady income but also positions SDIV as a strong contender in a competitive market. With potential for growth and returns, many eyes will be watching its performance closely in the future. Then there's IDV, which focuses strictly on foreign equities. By investing in this ETF, you can gain exposure to a wide range of international companies, thereby enhancing your portfolio's potential for significant returns and reducing risks associated with market volatility. Diversifying globally enhances stability. Ultimately, this ETF represents a strategic opportunity for investors seeking to optimize their portfolios through global diversification, capturing the benefits of dividend-paying companies from around the world while positioning themselves for long-term growth and yield potential. The IDV dividend yield stands at an impressive 5.1%. This yield presents a lucrative opportunity for investors seeking reliable income through dividends, highlighting the appeal of investing in IDV. As markets fluctuate, a stable dividend yield like this can provide reassurance and stability for those looking to enhance their portfolios. Now, let's talk about HDLV. This ETF stands out by combining stability with attractive dividend yields. In an unpredictable market, this ETF offers not just security but also the potential for consistent income, making it an appealing choice for investors seeking both reliability and growth in their portfolios. If you want stability alongside income, HDLV might be for you. It offers the potential for solid returns with less market risk. The HDLV investment offers attractive returns. With a dividend yield of 10%, investors can expect substantial income from their HDLV investments, making it an appealing choice for those seeking steady cash flow while benefiting from potential capital appreciation as well. What about YYY? This ETF is an option for those seeking higher yields. It invests in various asset classes, providing you with a diverse revenue stream. YYY can help cushion against downturns in specific sectors. The YYY dividend yield stands at 7.7%. This impressive yield indicates a strong return on investment, capturing the attention of savvy investors seeking consistent income while minimizing risk. With such promising figures, it's clear that YYY remains an attractive option in the ever-fluctuating market landscape. Next is JNK, a junk bond ETF focused on below investment-grade bonds. While riskier, JNK offers substantial income potential. If you're comfortable with added risk, this ETF might be right for you. The JNK dividend yield remains strong at 6.3%. In the current financial landscape, investors are increasingly drawn to JNK for its attractive yield, positioning it as a favorable choice for those seeking reliable income amid market fluctuations. Its resilience offers not just dividends, but also potential for strategic growth. Don't forget PFF, which focuses on preferred stocks. This ETF provides a higher claim on assets compared to common stocks. Investing in PFF presents a compelling opportunity, ideal for those seeking stability in uncertain markets. PFF's attractive nature lies in its potential for consistent dividends. By considering PFF as part of your investment strategy, you can achieve a balanced approach that emphasizes both income and reduced risk, making it a wise choice for anyone looking to navigate the complexities of today's financial landscape. The PFF dividend yield remains strong at 5.6%. This impressive yield not only reflects the resilience of the investment but also offers an attractive opportunity for income-focused investors. With such a stable return, stakeholders can feel confident in the long-term prospects of their investment in PFF. Last but not least is GOF. This closed-end fund targets different income sectors for solid dividends. It provides investors with a diversified approach to income generation. The GOF dividend yield stands at 10.4%. This impressive yield indicates a strong return for investors, reflecting the company's robust performance and commitment to shareholders. With such a substantial dividend, interest in the stock is likely to grow, signaling a promising outlook for the future. In summary, these 8 dividend ETFs can transform your investment strategy. They cater to different risk appetites, from financials to global stocks. Remember that each ETF has its characteristics, and it's crucial to research thoroughly. Are you ready to unlock the potential of these dividend ETFs? Don't forget the special tip I mentioned earlier. Keep an eye on market trends and interest rates. They can significantly impact dividends and your investment decisions. Remember, the journey to financial empowerment is ongoing. Seek knowledge, ask questions, and embrace the opportunities that lie ahead, understanding that guidance is invaluable to your success. Keep pushing forward and stay curious. In conclusion, as you navigate your path towards financial stability, remember that continuous learning, exploration, and growth are essential. Consulting a financial advisor can further enhance your journey, helping you make informed decisions that will support your ambitions and dreams. If you enjoyed this content, please hit that subscribe button. Like and share with your fellow investors. Let's grow our wealth together. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.